In lean project management, one of the key concepts is process improvement. Lead time and cycle time are two important metrics that help determine how lean a process is. In other words, how much of the time dedicated to creating a product is value added. Lead time is defined as the amount of time it takes between when a customer makes a request until that request is finally fulfilled and delivered to the customer. Lead time includes any delays or waiting times in between tasks until the ticket or the request is finally delivered. In one example of a process flow, a request is created by the client. There is a wait time or a lag time from when the ticket is created until the priority of that ticket has been set. Then there is another lag after the ticket is prioritized until resources are available to start working on the request. Finally, the request is fulfilled and delivered to the customer. This completes the lead time for the process, from request to delivery. The concept of cycle time is different than lead time. The cycle time is the time from when the work actually begins until the work is complete. Cycle time does not consider any of the activities leading up to the start of the work. A comparison of lead time versus cycle time can be made using the example of an online publishing project. Online publishing includes a series of tasks, including meet with the author, read and approve the manuscript, proofing the document, the final proofread, and finally, the published document is released. Each of the tasks in the project takes a certain amount of time to complete. Adding up all of the productive time that is dedicated to doing the tasks will give you the cycle time. For example, meeting with an author may take a cycle time of 1 day. Reading and approving manuscripts may take 3 days. Proofing the documentation may take 2 days. The final proofread may take 2 days, and then posting to the internet may be a 2-day process. This results in an aggregated cycle time of 10 days. However, there are inefficiencies, wait times, and delays within the process that cause it to take far longer than the cycle time of 10 days. When these wait times are included, the result could be a lead time of 30 days. Understanding cycle times and lead times is very important when determining the efficiency of a process or exploring opportunities for process improvement. There are many benefits to reducing cycle time. One of those benefits is waste reduction. The identification and removal of waste in a process ensures that the activities being performed actually add value. This is also known as value stream mapping. An example of value stream mapping is in a manufacturing environment. If a worker performs one specific task using a machine, it would be helpful if that same worker could be trained to maintain their own machine. If the worker needs to stop work and contact another worker from another department to make what should be a quick and easy repair, there is a lot of wasted time in waiting and delays. By training workers to maintain their own machines, the cycle time can be reduced. Another benefit to cycle time reduction is a significant cost reduction. Reducing cycle time means using fewer resources in terms of working hours, machines, or equipment. This also increases productivity. More tasks are being completed in the same amount of time. Another benefit is quality improvement and less rework. The product time to market decreases as more product can be delivered in the same amount of time or less time. And finally, customer satisfaction is improved by setting an expectation with customers on how quickly or how much can be delivered in a given amount of time. Many organizations have the goal of reducing their cycle times by 30 to 70%. If they are able to achieve that goal, they will also see a positive financial impact on their organization. Some process improvements may translate back to the improved financial performance of the organization. By reducing cycle time by anywhere between 30 to 70%, an organization may see a better return on assets anywhere from 20 to 105%, and the time to market can be improved anywhere from 20 to 70%. Cycle times and lead times are an important measure when implementing Kanban and a pull-based flow system. They can be used to identify where an organization can gain efficiencies and benefit financially.